Now, you might be wondering whether we can actually travel in first class train for $3. Well, in Sri Lanka, you can actually travel more than 100 kilometers under the budget of £3 in air-conditioned, nicely furnished and cleanly kept first-class train coaches. I know it's a bit hard to believe, but let's step into the $3 first-class coach and find out if it lives up to first-class expectations, shall we? So, this is Mr. First Class Coach himself, and this compartment is air-conditioned. We can also charge our phones, and I charge my camera in here as well. Oh, in case I forgot to mention you earlier, this is the Galukumari train from Galle to Maradana. That's more than 100 kilometers of travel. Oh, that's why they have provided foldable tables for food and also these foot resting thingies, right? Wanna take a look around? Of course you can. So, this is the Alugama train station, which is a small, rural, but a beautiful coastal train station. I thought you guys might like the oceanic view. So, here's how I saw the Indian Ocean on board the Galukumari train, which literally translates as Princess of Galle train. Now everyone, the time has come for me to end this video after giving you guys hope that I will meet you again in Galle. Yay!